Every Mercedes-Benz CLS begins long before you ever see it on the road. This factory is where the Mercedes-Benz CLS is brought to life. Behind these doors, precision meets craftsmanship. The Mercedes-Benz CLS starts as carefully selected raw steel blends. Each sheet will soon become part of the Mercedes-Benz CLS body. Thousands of tons of pressure shape the Mercedes-Benz CLS panels. Automation ensures every Mercedes-Benz CLS panel is identical. Robots weld the Mercedes-Benz CLS body with extreme accuracy. The iconic Mercedes-Benz CLS shape is now visible. Human expertise perfects what machines begin. Painting the Mercedes-Benz CLS requires absolute control. Every layer protects the Mercedes-Benz. This is where the Mercedes-Benz CLS gains its signature look. The Mercedes-Benz CLS now reflects perfection. Heat locks the paint into the Mercedes-Benz CLS surface. Body and structure become one Mercedes-Benz CLS. The heart of the Mercedes CLS is ready. This moment gives the Mercedes-Benz CLS its power. This moment gives the Mercedes-Benz CLS its power. Safety is never optional in the Mercedes-Benz CLS. Electric systems bring intelligence to the Mercedes-Benz CLS. And technology defines the driving experience. Luxury is felt the moment you sit inside. Control meets craftsmanship. Every door must close with perfection. Every door must close with perfection.
Precision down to the millimeter.
The Mercedes-Benz CLS finally stands on its wheels. The Mercedes-Benz CLS finally stands on its wheels. The first movement is always unforgettable. The Mercedes-Benz CLS comes alive. Intelligence activates. Precision ensures perfect driving balance. Every Mercedes-Benz CLS must stop as perfectly as it accelerates. Sealed against the elements. Sealed against the elements. Nothing is left unseen. Final touches make the difference. Production is complete. A journey nears its end. The Mercedes-Benz CLS leaves the factory. But its story is just beginning. From factory floor to showroom. The Mercedes-Benz CLS is revealed. Designed to be admired. Built to be experienced. Factory. This sound represents thousands of hours of work. The Mercedes-Benz CLS enters the real world. Performance meets elegance. Crafted to stand out. This is Mercedes-Benz CLS. This is how a Mercedes-Benz CLS is made. Every Mercedes-Benz CLS undergoes a controlled driving sequence. Engineers evaluate how the Mercedes-Benz CLS responds in real motion. Ride comfort is engineered into every Mercedes-Benz CLS. Ride comfort is engineered into every Mercedes-Benz CLS. Final mechanical confirmation is complete. The Mercedes-Benz CLS approaches its final stage. Every Mercedes-Benz CLS must look flawless. The emblem represents decades of engineering. From factory precision to real-world roads. The Mercedes-Benz CLS is revealed. The Mercedes-Benz CLS awakens. From factory floor to open road. Every journey has a beginning. And every Mercedes-Benz CLS has a story. Crafted with passion. Designed for those who appreciate detail. This is more than a car. Engineered without compromise. This is how the Mercedes-Benz CLS is made. Subscribe for more real factory documentaries.